Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to delete pending Windows updates in Windows. I'll show you guys how to do it. Go to search menu and type services, click on open it. Find the Windows update service, just double click on it. Startup type set this to manual, and if the service status is running, then you just need to stop the service. After that select apply. And now you just need to open up File Explorer and go to this PC, local disk C, and find a Windows folder, double click on it, and find a software distribution folder, double click on it. Delete everything inside this folder. After deleting it, just close stuff here. Go back to services. Click on this startup type to automatic, and if the service status is stopped, then you just need to start it. Select apply and OK for save changes, and just close stuff here and go ahead and restart a PC. And that's how you can delete pending Windows update in Windows, guys. And that's it for today's video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.